Today, ma'am. Today, I'm going to talk about the importance of putting career before love. This topic is important because many people, especially young people, often face a difficult choice between following their dreams or choosing the person they love. Love is important in life, but focusing on career first is more practical and more helpful in the future. First, a career is important because it gives us money and stability. The truth is, we cannot live without money. We need it for food, clothes, home, and education. Without financial stability, it is hard to take care of ourselves and even harder to support a family in the future. Love alone cannot provide these needs. No matter how strong the feelings are, a relationship will struggle if there is no financial support. That is why building a strong career helps us become ready for real life responsibilities. Second, career opportunities are hard to find and sometimes come only once in a lifetime. There are chances in life that, when missed, may never come back. Opportunities like job offers, scholarships, or working abroad can change a person's future. If we give them up for love, we might regret it later. On the other hand, love can come again. We can meet new people and build new relationships in the future. It may hurt to let go, but losing a great opportunity that could change your life can hurt even more in the long run. Some people say that love should come first because it gives us happiness and motivation. This is true. Love makes us feel valued, supported, and inspired. However, we must also accept that love does not last forever. Relationships can change and sometimes they end. If a person chooses love and gives up their career, they are taking a big risk. If the relationship fails, they may lose both their partner and their chance to build a better future. In addition, focusing on career first helps a person grow and become independent. When we work hard for our goals, we learn discipline, patience, and responsibility. We become more confident in ourselves. These qualities are important not only for success but also for building a strong relationship. When a person is already stable and independent, they are more ready for a serious and long-term commitment. They can support their partner better and handle problems in a mature way. Furthermore, choosing a career first does not mean we are ignoring love. It simply means we are preparing for a better future. Love can wait, but opportunities may not. By focusing on our goals first, we are preparing ourselves for a stronger and more stable relationship in the future. Personally, I can relate to this. I'm also in love, but I made sure to tell my partner that I will focus on my studies and grab every opportunities that comes my way. I want to build my future first. Luckily, my partner understands and supports my decision. This made me realize that a healthy relationship is not about choosing one over the other, but about understanding each other's goals. It is important that both partners have dreams and work together to achieve them. To conclude all that, career should come first because it helps us build our future and gives us security. It's helped us grow, become independent, and prepare for life's challenges. Love is important, but it is better to choose it when we are already stable and ready. In the end, a strong career can support a lasting relationship, but a love alone cannot always support a stable life. And that is all po. Thank you.